Good morning, everyone. It's Monday, August 16th, and I'm Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar. Moving over to the S&P, and I have a chart of the micro Emini up on a 3-minute candle, and we see that I have this green line here established where the market closed on August 13th. That was Friday, and today is again August 16th, and we're right down here at 44.49. Market closed at 44.61. So about 12 points below the close. Might be a play for a closing the gap, don't know. International news is certainly going to rattle things up, and I'm just going to stand by and see. At 9:30, the market is going to open. That's just about a minute from now, so I'm just going to let this video run, and if the market does make a move to close the gap, I'm going to jump on. I don't know whether it'll happen. Monday, it's a good play, but again, with the international news being what it is today on Monday, August 16th, all bets are off and lots of uncertainty. So this is Marv Eisen, and I'm just going to stand by. So this is the end of the day, Monday, August 16th. And I want to take you through the day slowly and show you how the plays developed and what was that message that I spoke about earlier about closing the gap. Let's see how this day worked out. As the day developed, the first part of the day, and I have this vertical line here indicating the open of the market, 9:30 Eastern. The market headed straight down. There was an early morning play where the second leg of this trend was playable, followed by a recovery, partial recovery back up to the first leg, and then another leg down, double leg down on the second leg. Difficult play because some people might have been, even the ones who had the experience to play this, might have gotten their profits cut by this counter move. But nevertheless, by 10:30 or thereabouts, the market bottomed, and then again at 11 a.m. From 11 a.m. on, look what happened to the rest of the day. And I'm going to take you through the day. And remember I said I put a green line on the close of the previous Friday? Well, there's the green line. And what do we see? The gap is closed just after 2 p.m. So gap trades are very powerful trades, and you can use them to your advantage. If it's the only trade setup that you used, you could make money very nicely just with this one trade setup, because gaps happen all the time. So this was the day, Monday, August 16th, market opens, headed down, play on the double dip, on the second leg of the double dip, and then with patience, and of course, you want to trade in the morning up till about 11, and then after that, in the afternoon. But if you stood by and you just looked and watched the rest of the day, just throw an eye on your chart. At about 11:30, we can see that the losses of the morning were recovered. And then from then on, the market slowly making its way back up to close the gap. And around 12:30, if you were a gap trader, you could have basically taken a pretty good guess, not knowing anything about stochastics, price action, or whatever else. You could have taken a pretty good guess from 44.50 thereabouts that the gap was going to be closed, pick up this 11 points to 44.61, and just did very nicely playing that day, playing that part of the move of closing the gap. So make that a trade that's an arrow in your quiver, and go back and you'll check that when you look at your past charts and you check where gaps form, you'll see that these gaps almost always close right away. But on days like Monday, August 16th, they close, but not till later in the day. Anyway, this is Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar, and I hope this is a lesson for those who are just getting their feet wet into trading. Of course, experienced traders know this trade. But if you're looking for some lessons and instruction on trading the S&P E-mini and Micro E-mini futures, check out my course, Trading Mastery for Financial Freedom, at timelessdollar.com. So this is Marv Eisen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Trade safe. Have a great day.